Meet our two friends Ramesh and Suresh. They are into the business of road construction. When it comes to purchase of an equipment, they think in different directions. Ramesh is a very quality-conscious businessman. He always prefers quality over the price. Suresh is price-conscious businessman. Suresh always prefers price over quality. Both of them get busy with their work. Both are getting good contracts this year and having steady business growth. After few years. Why are you worried, my friend Suresh? My business and my reputation has started going down. Why? I went and purchased low-price equipment as initially everything looked good. But it failed to perform. The manufacturer failed to deliver his promise and did not give good service. Come, let's go somewhere. Meet Mr. Patel from Atlas Technologies Pvt Limited. Hello, how are you? I am fine, Mr. Patel. I need you to help my friend today. Sure, let's sit inside and talk. Mr. Patel, he is my old friend Suresh and he needs your guidance. He has been purchasing equipment which have failed to perform. Mr. Ramesh, I know exactly the problem now. A low-priced equipment may be tempting to buy, but they make a lot of alterations in the product to increase the profit. For example, substandard parts are used in manufacture by some manufacturers. Structure of the equipment is not rigid to last long. The product is not tested. Service availability and support is an issue. Cost of spare parts very high. Operating system is not easy to use. All these leads to faulty quality and your project gets delayed. This will cause more problems later. We understand, value your emotions and hard-earned money which goes into buying equipment. We work closely with our customers to understand them. Let's go out and tour the factory. We have total manufacturing area of 175,000 square feet. This facility can handle large volumes of production. We have in-house plasma cutting machine. We use sand blasting process prior to painting of the equipment. Our designs are simple and reliable. All the parts used are standard. Customers rely on us for quick service. We back up with fast spares delivery. We inspect all equipment before they leave our factory. We have put in a lot of time, efforts and money to make sure that we give our customers an experience more than equipment. When we join hands, our customers benefit from our experience. Mr. Suresh, I hope you are satisfied today. Yes, Mr. Patel, I am, and I look forward to do business with you. Our main products are mobile and stationary asphalt batch plants, mobile and stationary asphalt drum plants, mobile and stationary concrete plants, bitumen sprayers, bitumen decanters, wet mix plants, road sweeping equipment. You can also visit our websites, www.atlastechnologiesindia.com, www.atlasindustries.in, www.atlasequipments.com. We have exported to more than 37 countries and growing strong. Do visit our factory on Ahmedabad-Mehsana Highway. We are just 60 kilometers away from Ahmedabad International Airport in India.